What's up? It's your boy Jab Anima back with another video. Today we're talking about transforming our object, and how can we do that? We can use our rotate, scale, and move functions, and we can do that on 3 different axes, our X, Y, and Z. So let's go to Blender, check it out. Right here on the left we have this toolbar. We can use this toolbar, but we want to get rid of that toolbar with our T button because we want to get used to our hotkeys. Now we click on our cube and we're going to press G to move our cube, and we can move that cube on our X, our Y, our Z, and we can also do the same thing with our rotate. With our R key, we can use our X, our Y, and our Z. And then we can also do that with our S, which is going to be our scale function. We can scale on the X, scale on the Y, and scale on the Z. And I want to give you guys one more functionality on all 3 axes. We double click R, and now we can rotate anywhere by just moving our. Hey, that's it for today, guys. Check me out on YouTube, Instagram, or Twitter. I'll see you there.